Today, I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a YNAB account. Now, we're going to be doing this on our phone directly, so we're going to be able to go ahead and see all the questions and steps that's going to ask you in real time. Now, as we go through this, I will have a link in the show notes down below for you so you can go ahead and get your start with a free trial. It's going to be 34 days. That does help support out the channel as well using our link so you can get more free content just like this. All right, so let's go ahead and click on Start Your Free Trial right over here. So here on this first page, it's going to say you can try YNAB completely free for 34 days. You can see right here, it actually helps you save quite a bit of money. And there is no credit card required when it comes to going through this process. So first and foremost, we're going to put in our email address and then our password that we want to utilize. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Start Your Free Trial. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you can see here where you can actually sign in with an Apple account if you're on an iPhone, or you can also do a Google account. So if you go with one of these options, it will jump through just a little bit faster. For example, today we're just going to go ahead and create our account overall with our email password, and then we're going to click on Start Free Trial. So the very next step is to go ahead and download the app. So from right over here, we can actually tap this and it'll take us directly to the download page. Now, we already have ours downloaded, but if not, this will show you the option to go ahead and download. So once that happens, you will be able to open up the app. And then from right over here, you're going to be able to either log in with your Apple or Google ID. And if you just went ahead and set up your email address and password, you can go ahead and plug those in and we'll click on log in. All right, so the very first thing it's going to ask us to do is build our budget, and it's going to ask us what currency we want to be using. It is defaulted to the US dollar, and then we can go ahead and start with estimate your expenses. Now from right over here, it is going to give you a nice quick setup. So you can see rent, mortgage, you can see electric, water, internet. You can have all of this plugged in for you. And then if we keep scrolling down here, you can see new other common categories such as credit card payments, insurance, loans, and you can keep on going from there. You can see the frequency right over here with groceries, eating out, and transportation. And then if you keep scrolling, you'll see right here, home maintenance, auto maintenance, any gifts. And then from here, you can see goals. So if you have different buckets like for vacation, education, or even other home improvements, you can definitely do that. And of course, for your fun money as well, you can go ahead and plug these in. You could even see all the different options here at the very bottom to be able to continue adding new categories. So as far as plugging in this information, you'll just go ahead and tap on the dollar amount right over here and plug in whatever amount you have for that given category. So you can see right over here, we have it for every last day of the month. We can actually go ahead and change that if we wanted to. We can do the very first of the month if we needed to, which is when ours gets pulled. So we'll go ahead and save that right here. So it's every first, click on done. And then same thing with electric, we can go in here and start plugging in all these different numbers. And then once we have everything plugged in, we can go to the top right up here and click on next. And from here, you can go ahead and add your bank account. Now that you've estimated some expenses, let's see how much money you have it right now. So you can go ahead and plug this information in and see how everything is adding up all together for you. And then that way you can start seeing your budget happening in real time. So that way you can be more accountable with your finances. Now, if you need to go ahead and edit any of your categories on the top right, you'll see the little hamburger sign with a pencil in there, and then that's where you're going to be able to go ahead and edit your different categories. And when it comes to connecting your bank, you could either do it manually or you can have it linked automatically, which will save you quite a bit of time when it comes to having everything plugged in. Now, of course, as you continue to utilize this, you will become more proficient on the app itself as well. So make sure you check out that link in the show notes down below to get your free 34-day trial to get up and running when it comes to managing your budget. Now that you have your YNAB account open, we want to make sure that you learn how to actually connect a bank account to your YNAB to budget the best way possible. So check out our video right over here on screen to learn just how to do that.